What's up, you guys, and good morning. It is day number 14 and we have made it 2 weeks now. Isn't that exciting? I have some stuff going on this morning that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, so stay tuned for this right after the intro. I got a doctor's appointment at the VA, so I need to hurry up and get all my stuff ready and head out the door. Alright, you guys, I just got done with the doctor's appointment, so I drove over here to Darlington, where I'm at right now, and I'm going to run inside the cotton gin and go get a rope pole handle for Hartsville, because I got some stuff to take care of over there, and they also need a rope pole handle, so I'm going to take them that. Alright, you guys, I am here in Hartsville getting ready to change out the hydraulic jack here on this monolith behind me. It's just like a bottleneck jack, but it's used for this squat rack, and all you do is you pump it up and you set it to where you need it to be adjusted at. So I'm going to remove that and take it to a hydraulic shop to get repaired. The seals are probably blown out in it, so we'll have them do that for us and then get it put back in as soon as possible. All you gotta do is like push it up. All right. A little more. Got it. What's up, you guys? And I just pulled up to Professional Hydraulics. I'm going to be taking this bottleneck jack in here and seeing if they can get it working correctly for us, so we don't have to buy a new one. If not, then I guess I'm going to have to look online and try to find a new one of those and replace it. So let's get in here and talk to these guys.
All right, what we got going on?
All right, so it goes up just fine. Problem is, it's bleeding back through, and this is locked out on the bottom.
Okay.
So is leak?
Seals.
Yes, is probably seals.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a check valve right here? Could it be bleeding through the check valve?
Probably this one here.
That's where the check valve would be?
It could be either or. You got a pressure check on this side, and you got a return check on that side.
Okay. Okay. Well.
Can we do something with this?
I don't work on them.
Okay. Where do I take them?
Carolina Jack and Lift.
Knock. Hey, how you doing? My name is Daniel Johnson. I'm from Fitness World. I want to know if you guys fix this jack for me. It bleeding back down through. If you stand on it, it'll go down. It's all turned off. Oh yeah. All right, you guys. I just got done inside of Carolina lifting jack, and these guys in here were really helpful. They tore apart the jack. We looked on the inside of it. There's probably something wrong with the cast on the bottom, so he said the only way to fix that is to buy a new jack, and they're just gonna re-weld it so that it matched the one that was in there prior. So that's a win-win. I'm gonna go in the morning and pick up a jack and then bring it by here and drop it off. So I hope you guys like the YouTube video, and I hope you guys are liking the content that I'm creating. If you do, please hit the like, follow, subscribe button, and until tomorrow, peace out.